I think there's one restaurant here in front of here. Okay, not too bad. You know, I take the sarang burung, beef rendang, and then sat. Well, hello everyone. Yeah, guys. But before I actually make my way into JB, I thought, hey, drop by here. I haven't been here for quite a while. Anyway, in case some of you don't know, actually I'm at the Woodlands Waterfront. This is actually on the Singapore side, which you can see the Straits of Johor from this side. And you can see from right behind me, yeah, the RTS is pretty much, I mean, you can see quite a lot of the development, or should I say the construction have done already. In fact, last time, I know even when I was at JB side, Stulang, I can see only the pillars. Right now, you can see that even the overhead bridges, they're building actually the sort of the rail, which is actually taking place pretty fast, you know. It's good and nice. Anyway, I'll be making my way all the way to the customs just to cross into JB. So yeah, actually this place in the evenings isn't exactly a bad place to hang out. I think there's one restaurant here in front of here. So in case evening if you want to come out here and chill, relax, have a meal, and then enjoy the scenery over the Straits of Johor and looking across JB from here. Yeah, I think it's a pretty nice way to spend an evening. Okay guys, yeah, probably you guys will know I'm just standing right now at the Johor side. I'm actually at Stulang Laut now, overlooking RTS over at this direction. Yeah, maybe a bit earlier on you guys saw me, I was actually at the Woodlands Waterfront. Totally different view. You come here also totally different view, but actually just opposite end only. Yeah, but still, compared to last time when I was here, it was very much different, because last time I saw only the pillars. Right now here, as I just mentioned earlier on, now they're doing all the railings. They're actually gonna link it all up further down to the CIQ. Probably, I think maybe they might finish this ahead of schedule, but again, it might take a while. They might need to do some test runs, implementing, make sure the whole system, everything works right. We still have to get the custom immigration of clearing passports on both sides done. So we see how it goes. Anyway guys, I was thinking, being kind of a bit hungry, so yeah, where to go for makan. I think I know this new place, so go and check it out. Let's go. Okay guys, today I'm actually at this place called Dapo, Khaleeda. Actually, basically also I passed by this place, but I actually didn't know about this place recently. Also already they have the satay here already. I'm one of the early birds. I can see that there's not much people right now at this moment. So just coming here just to order first before I head off for the rest of the day. Basically I know what they have already. I know what's, yeah, pretty much you have an idea what they have here. They have this fish mocha. They have this is the coconut one. I think lontong as well, and nasi lemak. Okay, eggs, cucumber. So this obviously is nasi lemak. I'm not focusing on nasi lemak today because this is what I want to order. This is what I want to order. The boss very busy right now. He's preparing the dough. Now later on, I'm going for this. It's what they specialize. So this will be my main focus for today. I think they have the chicken and beef. I think most probably I go for the chicken. Prepping all the dough. Oh yeah, also then maybe I got some satay as well. Maybe ordering chicken for that. Maybe I think I just call beef just to mix it all up a bit. Wow, there's a lot of spices in the duduk je depan sini. Daging kasih 5, sate daging 5, sarang burung.
Actually, one set is 10 sticks.
10 sticks lah. One person cannot eat 10 sticks lah. Then I cancel. I cannot eat 10 sticks. Just sarang burung ni lah. You don't go by 5. One person how to finish? Macam mana nak habis? Then 5 cannot lah. Strictly for content cannot lah. Say only 10, no 5.
Okay, I give you.
Okay, especially for me. So daging. You cannot lah. You order past 10 lah. You must cannot order 5. Okay. So daging 5. And then sarang burung you give me 1. Ayam 1.
Ayam? Oh, the satay ayam.
No. Sarang burung that one is dia ada daging ada ayam kan?
No.
Just straight macam ni ah?
I show you first like this.
Menu apa tak nampak? Oh, this how the menu.
Sarang burung satay ayam.
Oh, like that lah. This street dia sudah masuk lah. Okay. Then I take the. Oh. In that case, can I change or not? I take the sarang burung beef rendang and then satay ayam. Bagus. Drink kasih kopi panas satu. Kurang manis. Yalah, YouTube. YouTube. Later. Later I check. First we makan first, try first. Later. Kasih kopi tarik. Okay, can. Ironically, thanks to them, I actually give special. Thanks to them, special arrangement. Oh, here comes my satay. Oh, okay. Terima kasih. Wow, so this is my kopi tarik satay. Actually, yeah, supposed to be only 5 but they give 10 lah. Still never mind lah. I'll take it. Oh, somehow this is gonna be a very heavy breakfast for me. Pretty okay. Okay, here comes my sarang burung. I think this is definitely looks very appetizing. Quite a heavy breakfast for me. But I haven't had this for quite a long. The beef. This is the beef rendang. This is my satay, chicken, everything. Quite good actually. My main focus should be this one. My 2 eggs. I can see this. Oh. 2 eggs smiley face with the rendang. Okay, first things first. I had this for how long? Very, very appetizing. Here, you are wondering who the hell is this dude? Filming himself eating this. Yeah, I'm just doing it for you guys. Only for you guys. So remember to hit the like and subscribe to the channel. I really appreciate it. Actually, I prefer the chicken. Chicken tastes better. Preference. But the rendang, because I'm just trying it. Okay, not too bad. Really good. I can forget about my lunch already because this is very filling. Alright, completed this. I still got 5 pieces now. I can just take away. I have to just wrap it up. Just look at that. Look at that crowd. Everybody now needs to come in and the crowd. I was telling you guys that the crowd should come in one. Apa kira kan everything tapau bumi kan?
Laut is
27 Okay kak. Thank you, terima kasih. So yeah, I still got remaining 5 pieces which I will eat it later. So total of the bill came to about 27. Everything done. Oh, so nice of her. She discounted I think 9 ringgit because of it. So she actually treated instead of 10 pieces of satay, she only charged me only 5. So nice of her. Okay. So actually comes to total about 27. I just look at the crowd, man. This place is packing. Lucky I came at a very good time, because had I come a bit later, I might not even have sitting anymore. Anyway guys, so what I thought of the place, what I thought of the thing of the meal, overall it was a pretty good experience. Yeah, not too bad. Quite enjoyable, but I think maybe if you come for one person, 1 sarang burung and 10 pieces of satay, you might get a little bit overwhelmed, a bit filling lah. But still, not too bad. So in case if you want to try something new, maybe you can check out this place. I'll leave the description and location, everything wise, all in the description below. You guys can go and take a look at it.